Hi guys, I'm Hasta with WTI and I love taking showers after a long day out. I usually take showers in the morning, but at night, after exposing my skin to dust and dirt, we usually need to have like a reset night or reset evening. And this glove from Cryfox store has helped a lot. I have chicken skin and it's helped me with my skin texture, which is something I love. I use it to scrub my whole body, chest, arms, underarms, legs. I use it before shaving so that my skin looks and feels smoother after shaving. And I think it's really useful. It's a pretty resistant material, so it will last you forever. So if you're looking to have great showers, when at the end of the shower you feel clean and your skin looks shiny, smooth, and healthy, well, this glove will do. It's not too harsh, it's just perfect for any type of skin, and that's my point of view.